Here we have a brand new BYD Shark 6 hybrid ute fitted in black, water resistant canvas front and rear. I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump to the back seat if you don't want to watch the front part as well. So we have separate headrests. Seat covers, as you can see, are custom made to the shape of the BYD Shark seat. With any suede or canvas purchase, we do a bonus center console top. Bases as well, custom made to the shape of the seat. Of course, like most BYDs, has electric controls on driver and passenger. Our seat covers go inside the capping to leave access to that. Airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. Inside of the drivers, of course, has airbag provision as well. This customer has optioned full canvas down the back of the front seat, but you have the option to leave the maps open as well. Now we move on to the back seat. So of course it's a solid bench, so you've got 3 separate headrests. Backrest and base are separately covered. You've got the separate single armrest with the drink holder, pull tag. ISOFIX between the seats is still accessible. Rear base can still vertically lift up. You've got your straps to hold the seat up in the upright position accessible. And finally, full canvas down the back of the backrest. You've got your safety triangle still open to access if need be as well. If you've reached the end of the video, I appreciate you following all the way through with me. Cheers.